Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to contact Afterpay customer support for help. So if you need any help and you want to contact the customer support, let's just going to show you how to do it. So for contact options, you have the Afterpay website. You can just visit Afterpay's website and click on help or contact us. You also have Afterpay app. You can just open the Afterpay app and tap on help or contact us to reach them from there. There's also a phone. You can call Afterpay's customer support number that's available 24/7, or you can choose to use the email method. So you can just submit an email request to Afterpay's support team. Now here are the contact information for the phone number. It's right there on the screen, so you could use that, or you could just check the Afterpay website for international numbers. The email address is also right there on the screen, and live chat is available on the Afterpay website and mobile app. Now, a couple of tips for contacting the support. The first is to have your order details, including your order number and payment information. You have all that ready to provide to the support team. You also want to clearly explain your issue or questions to the support team to ensure that they can assist you efficiently. Please also be prepared to provide identification such as your name and email address that's associated with your Afterpay account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to contact Afterpay customer support for help. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.